Jai Hind everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to deal with the chapter matrices and determinants. We are going to solve the latest PYQ from 2021 to 2024, okay, which were asked in NDA, right? So let's move. Okay, you can see on this chart that generally 10 questions are asked from this chapter of matrices and determinants. So this is very important chapter. You should not miss this chapter at any cost, right? In last 7 papers there are asked 65 questions, okay, and you can get this PDF from our Telegram channel Study Cadet also, and you should solve all the questions, all the 65 questions, and the time you should take is 81 minutes, okay. So let's start our journey. And before going to the question, let me tell you that before coming to this video you should know the concepts of matrices and determinants, okay, and you should know all the formula. After revising your formula, then only come to this video, okay. Before coming to this video, this should be clear to you, right? So, and I am going to tell you the approach, the best approach to solve the questions, by which you will take the minimum time, right? So should we proceed? Let's see our first question. Okay, ND1 2024. Let A and B be matrices of order 3 cross 3, A this, B this, then value of determinant this. Simply we need to split this. This will become 2, order is 3, so its power will be there. Then determinant of B, then determinant of adjoint of 3A, right? 2 cube is equal to 8, determinant of B is 1 upon 7 to 9, and adjoint of 3A, it would be, we know the property, adjoint of A, what is this? This will be determinant of A and n minus 1 power. So same way 3A determinant and power 2, 3 minus 1. So this will become 8 upon 7 to 9, and 3 when it comes out, then it will be 3 to the power 3 and its square, determinant A, its square, okay. 3 cube is equal to 27, 27 square is equal to 7 to 9, so this will get cancelled out. 8 into determinant A, that is 1 by 2 root 2, and when we square it, it will become 1 upon 8. So answer is 1, right? Let's go to the next question. Consider the following statement in respect non-singular matrices means determinant of the matrix will not be 0. A, B, okay, these are simple properties. This is incorrect, this is incorrect, because adjoint of AB is adjoint of B into adjoint of A, right? That's why both are wrong. And AB adjoint AB minus AB determinant IN is a null matrix. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct, because we know that adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. So when we put, here A into adjoint A, right? When we put AB in place of A, then it will be satisfied. So only one statement is correct. Consider the following statement in respect of non-singular. Okay, we know that adjoint A transpose is equal to transpose of adjoint A, so it is correct. A square is equal to A, then A is identity matrix of order n. See, it is not necessary that A will be identity matrix. Okay, so that's why it's wrong. It may be a case, but it does not imply this, and in the same way it also does not imply this, A cube. Okay, so one. Okay, so I think there should be a correction in the option. One only will be the answer. Okay, consider the following statements in respect of schematic matrix A of order 3. All diagonal elements are 0, right? Sum of all diagonal elements 0. A is orthogonal. A orthogonal means A transpose is equal to I. So it is not necessary to be orthogonal. So it will be wrong. 1 and 2 will be correct. For what value of n is the determinant 0? Okay, we can clearly see if we do column 1 plus column 2. Okay, if we change column 1 to column 1 plus column 2, then what becomes? Here the simple property NCR plus NCR plus 1, it becomes N plus 1 CR plus 1. So same way here we will get 10C4, here 12C6, here M plus 1C7, right? And here we have 9C3, 11C5, MC6 and 10Cn minus 2, 12Cn, M plus 1 Cn plus 1. If you observe this determinant, then when will it be 0? When two columns or two rows will be the same. So if we put n equal to 6, okay, so column 3 and column 1 will be equal, right? 10C4, 10C4, 10C6, 12C6 and same. So that's why C will be the correct answer. If ABC is a triangle, then what is the value of determinant? Okay, so we can simply put 10B plus C is pi minus A, and 10 pi minus A will be minus 10A. So simply put it 10 minus 10A. So what will be the determinant? Cos C, this will be 0. Sin B minus 10A cos C, sin B 10A cos C. So both will get cancelled out and the answer will be 0. If A equals this, then which one of the following statements are correct? A inverse equal to adjoint A. Okay, A inverse, what is A inverse? A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. If this is the case, then the determinant value should be 1. Let's see, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, it is sin 2 theta, and this one is minus cos 2 theta. So minus cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. So if we get the determinant, then the value of determinant will be sin 2 theta, that will be sin square 2 theta and minus plus cos square 2 theta. What will be the determinant? 1. Cos square theta sin square theta. So yes, it is 1. So the first statement is correct. A is skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric matrix. The diagonal elements are not 0, so it is not skew symmetric. A inverse equals to A transpose. Okay, A inverse. So we need to have our adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, sin 2 theta, and then A inverse A transpose. Okay, we can put the value also. If we put this theta 0, if we put theta 0, then our matrix will be like A will be sin 0 0, cos 0 1, and this will be 0, and here minus 1, and then 0 0 and 0 0 1. We can see adjoint of A from here. Okay, it will be easier. 0, this is 0, and for this minus 1, so it will be plus 1. Okay, then here 0 0. Okay, now here it is 1, so it will be minus 1, and then here it is 0, here 0, then come to here, this is 0, this is also 0, this one is minus 1, 0 minus plus 1. So is it same? Plus 1, here is minus 1. Is it transpose? Yes, it is transpose. And this was A inverse, so it is correct. 1 and 3. Okay, let's go to the next question. A equal to this. What is the value of determinant? I is 3 cross 3 identity matrix. Okay, it is simple question. We need to just do A transpose. A transpose. 1 2 3, then 1 2 3. Matrix multiplication. So row by column, 1, then 2, then 3, 2 4 6 3 6 9. This is our matrix, and the value of the matrix will be 0, because this is proportional, so it will be determinant will be 0. Okay, but we need to find the determinant of this one, so we need to add 1 in diagonal elements. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it will be 2 2 3 2 5 6 3 6 10, right? Now we need to solve this. 2 5 10 100 plus 6 2 6 3 36, then 3 2 6, this is again 36. In minus, here is 5 3 3 9 45. minus 6 6 2 72, 10 into 4 40. Okay, 36 36 72 and 40 40 85, so it is coming 15, right? ABCR square matrix is order 3 determinant, then what is the value of determinant? Okay, determinant BC is equal to 2 determinant of A, so value of this 2 determinant order 3, so that's why it will be 2 cube A inverse B C. Okay, 8 upon determinant A, BC is 2 determinant A, so it is coming 16. Easy. Now 10th question, AB is skew symmetric value of this matrix. Okay, skew symmetric matrix. Do you know that determinant of a skew symmetric matrix is 0? Okay, so whatever you do will become 0. It is 0, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0. Determinant of minus I. Okay, determinant of I, it is 1. Determinant of minus I, it will be minus 1, right? Now then which one of the following is correct? See, this is a skew symmetric matrix and determinant of skew symmetric matrix is 0 and its square will also be 0, so this is wrong and this is wrong. A square is symmetric matrix. If A is symmetric matrix, then A is skew symmetric matrix, then A square will be symmetric matrix. Is it so? Is it the case? Yes, it is true. You must know that thing, that any in power of skew symmetric matrix becomes symmetric matrix. Okay, if A equal to this, then which one of the following are correct? A power n will be singular for any positive integer n. This is what? This is our diagonal matrix and symmetric matrix also. Singular, see, its determinant is non-zero. What is it? 2 3 4, so 24, which is not equal to 0, so any power of this will not be equal to 0, so it will not be singular in any case, so it will be wrong. 1 is wrong, 1 is wrong, 1 is wrong, 2 and 3 are correct. Okay, if x square 3x, then what is the value of E? Okay, if we put x equal to 0, then this will be 0 0 0 0, we come with E, so put 0 in this determinant. It will be 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2, sorry, it will be 0 4 and 3 minus 4 0. Determinant value 0. Okay, we can clearly see it is a skew symmetric matrix, so the determinant value will be automatically 0, so value of E will be 0, right? Very easy questions are asked. If all elements of a third order determinant are equal to 1 or minus 1, then the value of determinant is, okay, third order determinant means at every place there can be 1 or minus 1, right? So what will be the value of determinant? if we an odd number, this will not be answer, because 0 will always be the case, because if all the elements are 1, then it will be 0. An even number but not necessarily 0. Okay, 0 1 minus 1, 0 1 and minus 1. Okay, if we put like 1 minus 1 1 and 1 1 1 and minus 1 1 minus 1, then what is the answer? Let's see. It is minus 1, then plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1, then it is minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 1 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, it is coming 0. Suppose it is plus 1, then minus 1 1 1 1, this will be minus 1, and plus 1, this is plus 1, no, this is minus 1. So what will be our answer? Minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Minus 4 is option where this will not be the case. An even number but not necessarily 0, this will be the answer. If a equals this, then what is the value of determinant adjoint A? Okay, simple formula is determinant of A n minus 1 square. Okay, what is its determinant? It is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so 2 3 6 0 0 0 0 and 1. Okay, 1 minus 1, right? 5 to the power 3 is its order, so 2 square, that will be 4. It is 625. If A equal, then what is equal to order? Okay, we need to find this. This is identity matrix, and any power of identity matrix will always be identity matrix, right? So that's why it will be 23A minus 19A minus 4A. So it will simply be a null matrix. Very easy question. The value of the determinant of matrix A of order 3 is 3. Okay, this is 3. If C is the matrix of cofactors, C is the matrix of cofactors, then what is the value of C square? It's a simple formula, we all know that. Determinant of cofactors, do you know that? That is our determinant of A n minus 1. Okay, what is its order? 3. So it will be 3 minus 1, that is square. So it will be simply 3 square, that is 9. Sorry, we need to see the determinant of C square, right? So it will not be 9. It would be this 3 to the power 4, that is 81. C is the right answer. If AK is, then what is the value of this? Equal to, okay, A1. Okay, simply get the determinant of AK. K minus 1, K plus 1, K square minus 1 minus K square minus 2K plus 2K. So this will be 2K minus 1. We need to add all the determinant from 1 to 100, right? So the sum will be k means k into k plus 1, not this, 2n into n plus 1 upon 2 minus n. Okay, because we need to add this thing, summation of 2k minus 1 from n is equal to 1 to 100, that is it. Okay, 2 cancel out, n is our 100, so 100 101 minus 100, so the answer will be 100 101 minus, so it is simply 10,000. Right, got it. Let A be a matrix of order 3 cross 3. A this and this is, what is the value of alpha plus beta? Okay, order is 3, so 2 adjoint 3a, this will be 2 cube, and then adjoint of 3a, that would be 3a, n minus 1 means 2. Okay, determinant, it's a determinant value, and this will be 2 to the power 3 when it come out, it will be 3 cube square, and determinant a square, 2 cube 3 6. Okay, a square, a determinant a square means 4 square, so it is simply 2 cube, and this is 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 7, 3 to the power 6, so alpha plus beta is equal to 7 plus 6. AB symmetric matrices of same order regarding AB minus BA. If these are symmetric, then AB plus BA will be symmetric, and AB minus BA will be skew symmetric. Okay, you should know that. Its diagonal entries are equal but non-zero. AB minus BA skew symmetric, so it will be 0, so it is wrong. The sum of its non-diagonal entries is 0. Yes, because it is skew symmetric, so 2 only will be the correct answer. Now 21st question. Consider the following in respect of this: AB equal to AC, then B equal to C if A is non-singular. Yes, it is correct. Bx is equal to Cx for every column matrix X n rows, then B equal to C. Yes, it is also correct. You can take any matrix, it will be true, and you should remember these two things also, right? Both are true. Sorry, both 1 and 2, C option. Let's go to the next question. What is the sum of roots of the equation? Sum of the roots of the equation. What will be the equation? X minus A, X plus B, X minus C equal to 0. That's it. So roots will be A comma minus B comma C. Sum of roots A minus B plus C. See this question. ABC alpha is this, determinant this equal to 0. Which one of the following is correct? Oh, okay, what we can do here? ABC are in AP. Okay, if we do A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C. Okay, if we do rho 1 into alpha plus rho 2, okay, and subtract it with rho 3, right? So we are changing rho 3 to this. What happens? See, delta will be A, B, then A alpha plus B, this will be 0, B, C, this will be 0, and A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C, and this alpha minus A alpha square plus B alpha means plus 2B alpha plus C. This is our determinant. Which one of the following is correct if it is 0? Okay, so the value of the determinant will be, this is 0, so minus A alpha square plus 2B alpha plus C AC minus B square, okay, equal to 0. So either B square should be equal to 0 or this equation A alpha square plus 2B alpha plus C, it should be 0. It should be 0. ABC are in GP. Yes, ABC are in GP. This option is right. Seven more than alpha is the root of which one of the following equation? Okay, we know that one of what was our equation? A alpha square plus 2B alpha plus C, and what was that? AC minus B square. AC minus B square. AC minus B square is equal to 0. This was our equation. So alpha is the root of which one of the following? Okay, so alpha is root of this equation. So simply put, 7, 4, 2, ABC. 7 alpha square plus 4, 8 alpha plus C, that is 2. This one is correct. Okay, fx is this, f0 equal to, very simple question. Put 0, cos 0, 1, sin 0, 0, tan 0, 0. Okay, this is 0, so this will be 0 because x is 0. Consider the determinant A13 and the minus are respectively, then what is the value of determinant? Okay, so determinant, you know that A13 C cofactor, if you want to put it as minor, then here will be 1 3. Okay, cofactor of 1 3 plus A 2 3 cofactor of 2 3 plus A 3 3 cofactor of 3 3. So determinant will be A13 is YZ, cofactor minor is Z minus Y, so it will be Z minus Y. The sign will be positive because 1 plus 3 is 4, that is even, plus A23 is ZX, cofactor of 2 3. This is even, so we will change the sign, X minus Z, right, plus A33 XY, 3 plus 3 is even, we will not change the sign, Y minus X. Okay, this is our determinant. yz, so what will it be? X minus y, y minus z. Okay, we can put simply value, take x1, y2 and z equal to 3, and then we will put it there. yz 6, z minus y 1, zx is 3, x minus z is minus 2, xy is 2, y minus, what is this, y minus x, y minus x is 1. So 6 minus 6 plus 2 means it's plus 2. Okay, put value here in option. Z minus y 3 minus 2, this is 1, z minus x 2, y minus x 1, this is plus 2, this can be the answer. X minus y, y minus z, x minus z, the sign are changed, so it will come minus 2, I think. And same way x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, this will be plus 2 and something is multiplied, and this cannot be the answer, so A is the answer. If A is this, then A plus adjoint A is a null matrix. A plus adjoint A is a null matrix. What is adjoint of A? We need to find adjoint and A inverse. Okay, what is its determinant? We can simply see cos square minus cos square theta minus sin square theta, so it's minus 1, right? And adjoint of A, adjoint of A is what? Cos is minus cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is minus 1. Okay, and 0, so this will be 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Middle one is minus cos theta, and then sin theta, this is minus cos theta, no, minus sin theta, but the sign will be of negative, and same here minus sin theta, and this will be cos theta. So we can see that minus 1, it is minus A, so the first option is correct. A inverse equal to, okay, we can get A inverse also. A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant A, so it will be minus A upon minus 1, so it will be simply A. So A inverse plus adjoint of A is a null matrix. A inverse plus, yeah, A equal to, and this is A inverse, A equal to A inverse, so this is correct, this is correct, 1 2 3 are correct. X is a matrix of 3 cross 3, Y is 2 cross 3, Z is having 9 entries. It is very simple. X is 3 cross 3, Y is 2 cross 3, and Z is 3 cross 2. So ZYX, ZY, Z and Y, ZY will be 3 cross 3, right? X 3 cross 3, so it will have 9 entries, right? YXZ, YXZ, X into Z 3 cross 2, X into Z will be X into Z will be 3 cross 2, and Y is 2 cross 3, so it will be 2 cross 2, so it will have 4 entries. XYZ, XYZ 2 cross 3, so YZ will be 2 cross 2, X is 3 cross 3, so it is not defined, right? 1 2 and 3 are right? Let determinant matrix A be the cofactor of this. Okay, what is the value of this? This is simply our determinant. What is the value of 2 1? Okay, if we change then it becomes 0. You should know that thing. And now what is the value of this? Okay, a11, a12, a13. Okay, if we transpose this then it is our a11, a21, a31, right? And a12, a13, a22, a23, a32 and a33. This will be the transpose. And when we do what? 3 1 2 1. Okay, if we interchange this column 1 and column 2 are interchanged, right? Then column 2 and column 3 are interchanged. 2 times we are interchanging, so the answer will be the determinant. If 1 time is interchanged then it is minus determinant, then again, so it will be double minus, that is plus. Is this P plus Q? P is symmetric and Q is symmetric. If A is any square matrix, then we can split it in the sum of symmetric matrix, that is A plus A transpose, plus skew symmetric matrix, that is A minus A transpose. Okay, so here we have A is equal to P plus Q, so P will be this one and Q will be this one. What is P equal to? A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose 0 0. Okay, I can see that it is 0 0 0 and then transpose sin square theta cos square theta 1, here 1, and then it is also 1, every element is 1. Okay, when we half it, it will come a option A, right? Then what is Q equal to? Q will be skew symmetric matrix, right? So this cannot be, this can also not skew symmetric. This is skew symmetric, yes, this one is also. So which one will be? A minus A transpose. This is A minus A transpose. Okay, cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is cos 2 theta. Okay, but we have half also, so it will be half cos 2 theta. So this will also not be the answer. D will be the correct answer. A is this PQ. What is the minimum value of the determinant of A? Okay, determinant of A. Determinant of A is 0 plus sine 6 theta cos to the power 6 theta. Okay, minimum value of this. This is simply sine square theta plus cos square theta cube, right, individually. Then A cube plus B cube, we have A plus B, so it will be 1, and A square means sine 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta minus what, AB. So it will be sine square theta cos square theta. We can simply write it sine square theta plus cos square theta or minus cos square theta also. Okay, plus cos square theta square minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. So it is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. We can say it sin 2 theta upon 4, right? So how will we get the minimum value of this thing? When the sin 2 theta will be the maximum. What is its maximum value? That is plus 1. So 1 minus 3 plus 1 upon 4, it will be 1 upon 4. Okay, let's see this question 37. Delta 1 this, delta 2 this, and is positive, negative, or what? Okay, if we see both the determinants, then both are same. When we transpose determinant 1 and interchange two rows, two columns basically, then it will be the same as delta 2. Okay, so delta 1 and delta 2 both values are same. Is positive, negative. Okay, we should also know that 1 1 1 P Q R P. The value of this will be PR plus PR into 1, QP into 1, PR QP plus QR minus Q square minus R square minus P square. So we can simply write it as what? You know that minus half P minus Q square plus Q minus R square plus R minus P square. Okay, so this value will always be positive, and the sign is of negative, so this will be always negative, right? AB, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A equal to 2 ABC. Okay, this matrix is, when we open this determinant, then this will be A, B, C. We will take common from there, and the remaining determinant will turn into A minus B, B minus C into C minus A. Okay, so we need to simply multiply 6 into 2, that is 12. Under which one of the following conditions does the determinant vanish? Okay, the value of this determinant is 0. ABC, BCA, CAB. Okay, this is simply our A cube, no, C cube, B cube, A cube. Okay, minus of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus of 3ABC. Okay, this is the value of this determinant. So this determinant will vanish when this is correct. Okay, A plus B, when we open this bracket, then this will turn into A plus B plus C minus sign. Okay, and then A square plus B square, the same thing written here. So all three are correct. Consider the following in respect of the matrices this CA, CB, CB. Okay, the third one is correct because this is property of matrix, right? CA plus B, CA plus CB. Matrix addition is associative. So 3 will be correct. So 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. k. If A is this, then what is A adjoint of A? Okay, the value of A into adjoint of A, you should know that determinant of A into identity matrix. Okay, what is determinant of A? 2 sin square theta minus minus plus 2 cos square theta, so it is simply 2, right? So it will be 2i. This is the answer. Okay, come to 42nd question. For what value of k is the matrix singular? Singular means the value of this matrix is 0, determinant, sorry. So 2 cos 2 theta, this is cos 2 theta, and this is also cos 2 theta. So 2 cos 2 theta 6, cos 2 theta 3. If we take common from the first row, then both rows will be the same, so its answer will be for what value of k? Okay, so k can have any value, it will always be 0, right? Let A be a non-singular matrix and B equal to adjoint A. Which of the following are correct? Okay, B is adjoint of A, so A of adjoint of A is simply adjoint of A into A, that is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay, so this is correct. AB is scalar matrix. AB, yes, this is scalar. Okay, scalar matrix means a constant. Okay, so it is with identity matrix, so it is scalar. AB can be a null matrix. AB can be a null matrix. Okay, because determinant A is not 0, it is not singular, so the value of this thing can never be null matrix. Okay, so it is wrong. 1 and 2 only, right? Consider the following statement in respect of square matrices A and B of same order. AB, okay, AB is a null matrix, then at least one of A is null matrix. No, it is not correct. If AB is an identity matrix, then BA is equal to AB. AB is equal to AB is identity matrix कह रहा, BA equal to AB. Then BA, okay, so B, if we put here A inverse AB multiply with A inverse both side, so what will happen? B will become A inverse. Okay, so A inverse into A equal to A into A inverse, so it is right. So only 2. Now 45th question. A is the identity matrix 3 of order 3. B is its transpose. A plus B. Okay, it is very simple. A plus B matrix will be like 2 2 2 0 0 0, because transpose of identity matrix is the identity matrix itself, so it is 8. Let A and B non-singular, A be A and B equal to B. Okay, A square. If we do A into AB equal to A into A, in this I am multiplying A. Okay, so it is simply A square B equal to A square, right? So A square is equal to A. Okay, I can do this also. If AB equal to A and I multiply both side with A inverse. Okay, A inverse, then it is B equal to identity matrix, right? B is equal to identity matrix. So and A in the same way, if I do BA is equal to B and B inverse multiply BA is equal to B inverse multiply B, so it will be A equal to I, right? So both are identity matrix, so I square equal to I, right? I square, this one is also right, both 1 and 2 are right. Okay, if this, then what is the value of this? Okay, so see, we can split it in like 3D row plus, okay, whatever I will do with the second thing, that will be 0. So we need to keep in mind the first thing only, because these are same. Okay, so 3D 3E 3, these 3 rows are here. Okay, if I take common 3 and 4 and 6, then we are left with delta. Okay, DEF, no sorry, we are left with the determinant DEF ABC and GHI. So we need to interchange both, and then we will get this our data. So the sign will be changed because we are interchanging 2 columns. So 3 into 4 into 6 and minus delta, so it will be 72 minus 72 delta. If A equal to this and A belongs to natural number, then what is this? Okay, we need to find A to the power n. Okay, A to the power n. So if we do A square 10A1, what would it be? It would be row to column. So it will be simply 1 row to column, then it will be 2A, and this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, when we will do A cube, this is our A square, when we will do A cube, then it will come 103A1. okay, so it means an equal to 1 and A0 1. Okay, so now come to our question, this thing. A100 will be 100A01. okay, minus A50 will be 150A01 minus 2 into A25, so 202 and 50A. 100 minus 50 minus 50, 0, and 1 minus 1 minus, so we are left with minus 2i if we solve this thing. Okay, so this will be our answer. A this minus k b c, what is the value of k? Okay, so find this determinant. If we add this thing, a minus b minus a plus b minus a minus b. Okay, if we add both the rows, row 1 and row 2, and then subtract it from 3, then we are left with a minus b minus a b minus a and minus b, and then we are left with minus c plus c. Okay, So the value of this determinant will be what? We can simply take common a, b, c, and now we are left with 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Okay, find this determinant. This will be abc into 1 and minus 1 minus 1. This is our minus 1, this is our minus 1, and this is minus 1. So 1 to 1, this is minus 4. So minus 4 abc, this value is minus 4 abc, and minus 4 abc minus k abc equal to 0. This means k should be equal to minus 4. A is the correct answer. For what value of k is the system equation consistent? Okay, so we need to find its determinant. 2k square 3 minus 1 7 minus 2 3 6k 1 and 1. It will be 0 because it is consistent. So what will be the value of determinant? 2k square. This is simply okay, we can add both rows, or we can simply go minus 4k square, this, and then 3 3 9 6 54k, and then minus 1 7 minus 7. Then we have 2k square minus 6k square, then 12 minus 12k, and then 7 3 21 minus 21. Okay, so what will it be? It is equal to 0. Minus 10k square plus, this is our 242k, and minus 28 equal to 0. We can write it as 10k. When we divide it with 2 minus 2, then it will be 5k square minus 21k plus 14 equals 0. So what is the discriminant here? My b square minus 4ac. Okay, so that will be b square means 441 minus 4 into a into c, that is 280. So it will come 161. I can clearly see roots 161, so it will be the answer. The inverse of a matrix A is given by. Okay, we need to find the adjoint first, then determinant. Okay, adjoint of this matrix will be simply minus 2. Okay, minus half, and here minus 2, and just change sign here. This is adjoint and inverse. So determinant of A is 2, that is 1 minus 3 upon 2. So it is minus 1 by 2, right? So for inverse, we need to divide this thing with minus 1 upon 2. So we need to multiply it with minus 2 adjoint of A. Okay, so when we multiply with minus 2, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this one be the answer. Let this one where mn positive real number size identity matrix. What is m plus n? Okay, m identity matrix Na. So M identity matrix means M0 0 M plus NA means 0 2n minus 2n 0. Okay, so it will be M 2n minus 2n M, and we need its square. Its square, that will be equal to A. A is 0 2 minus 2 0. So first element will be M square minus 4n square. This is equal to 0. And now this element row to column, so 2mn plus 2mn means 4mn. Okay, 4mn is equal to our 2, so mn equal to 1 by 2, right? And from here we can see that m is equal to 4n, sorry, it will be 2n, right? M is equal to 2n. So apply these two, m plus n. So 2n square equal to 1 by 2. So n will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and m plus n. M is 2n, so we need to find 3n, that is 3 by 2. D is the right answer. Okay, what is the value of the following determinant? Cos C 0 0 0. Okay, we can simply see that tan A sin B cos C and minus tan A sin B cos C, so it will be simply 0. If this is what is the following, okay, determinant value, so we can put okay, what is the value of this determinant? 1 plus xy plus xz minus x plus y plus yz plus yz, then minus x plus x. Okay, plus x. So we have 1 plus xy plus yz plus zx, where it is. Okay, we can put the value of x. Okay, simply put a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3. B minus c is minus 1, c minus a is 2, a minus b is minus 1. So x is minus 1, y is our 1, and z is minus 3. Put it here in this equation. Xy will be minus 1, yz will be minus 3, zx will be plus 3. So it is simply coming plus 3. So it is coming 0, right? It is coming 0. ABC 1 2 3, it will be 6, and this will also not be the case. Consider the following in respect of the matrix A. Okay, inverse of A does not exist. See, it is singular matrix because determinant is 0, so inverse does not exist. A cube is equal to A. When we will do A square, it will become 3A. Okay, so A cube will not be A. 3A is equal to A square, right? So 1 and 3, 1 and 3 only. If the determinant value, then what is the value of this determinant? Okay, a1, a2, b1, b2, c1. Okay, it is simply pq delta. This one, very easy question. C0, oh, it is question of binomial. Okay, we will solve this. If we know that binomial expansion 1 plus x to the power n is equal to something like nc0 plus nc1 x plus like this kind of thing, so it will simply be to the power n, but nc0 is missing here, so minus nc0, so 2n minus 1. This is the answer. A plus b plus c equal to 4 a b c a, then what is the value of determinant? Okay, a c cube, a cube, b cube, it is simply minus a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, this determinant, so its value is minus a plus b plus c, and then what will it be? A square plus b square. Okay, it will be a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, this is 4 and this is 0. Now minus 4 into a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, when we do, how to solve this? A plus b plus c whole square minus 2 ab plus bc plus ca, that is our 0. Okay, so we are left with minus 4 and here 4 square, so it will be 64 of minus, right? See 59th question. A and B, two matrices said that AB is of order n cross n. Then which one of the following? AB should be square matrix of same order. Square matrix, no. Either A or B should, no. Both A and B should be of same order, no. Order of A and B need not to be the same, right? Let A this PQRS any 4 different prime number less than 20. What is the maximum value of the determinant? Okay, maximum value of the determinant. This determinant has value PS minus QR. When will this value be maximum? When PS is maximum and QR is minimum, right? So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 17, 19. So PS should be maximum, so we will take 17 into 19 minus QR should be minimum, so I will write 2 into 3. What will it be? 2, 3, it will be 6 minus, and this will be 3, 23. Okay, so it will be 317. 61st question. A and B are square matrices of order 2. Determinant AB is equal to determinant of BA. Yes, this is obvious because we can split both the determinants. Unit matrix, no. B must be unit matrix, no. Must be unit, need not to be unit matrices. Okay. If the determinant x, what is the x equal to? Very easy question. 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. This is simply minus 1 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X value will be plus minus 1. Okay, very easy question. if fx is this f minus 1 f0 f1, when we will put f0 and it means x is 0, so the second row x x x, this will become 0, so this will be 0. When we put f minus 1 means x minus 1, so x plus 1 be 0, x plus 1 x plus 1 x plus 1, this will be 0. One column is 0, so it will be 0. When we put x equal to 1, then the third row will be 0, so the answer will be 0. The element in the ith row and the jth column of different third order. Okay, so aij is simply 2i plus j. Okay, so the determinant will be a11, this will be 1 plus 1 2 into 4. Okay, 1 2 3 into 2 6, and this will be 1 3 4 into 2 8, and here 6 8, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Then here we have, this is second row, no, third row second column, so 3 plus 2 5 into 10, this will be 10, 3 plus 3 into 2 a 12. Okay, so what is the value of the determinant? 4 6 8 6 8 10 8 10 12, this should be 0. Okay, because difference is same. 8 minus 6 2, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 6 2, 10 minus 8 2. Okay, okay, this is our last question with the numbers. These all the possible determinants. 4 different elements are constructed. What are the sum of the values of such determinants? Okay, if you use your logic, then half of the determinants will be of some value and other half will be of the negative of the same value. Okay, if I have 2 4 6 8 like this, so the value of this determinant will be negative of the determinant when I do 8 6 2 4, right? So by this logic the answer will be 0. Okay, so we have done all the questions of this matrices and determinant today, and this is very important chapter, right? 10 question you will see in your exam, right? So you have 25 marks with this chapter. Okay, so you need to prepare it, and there are so many that repeated things. Okay, repeated matrices and determinants. Like if I talk about the determinant 1, a square a cube, b square b cube, c square c cube. Okay, you should learn its value, that is a b c, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Okay, there are so many these kind of matrices. Like one is very important, that is what was that, 1 plus a 1 1 and 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c. This matrix is also very important, and the value of this matrix is a b c into 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c plus 1. Okay, so you should learn these kind of matrices also, determinant value also, which are asked repetitively. Okay, so this was from my side, and you need to work hard for this thing. Okay, so keep studying and keep working hard. Okay, I want result from you. I don't want result directly. I directly want your hard work. Okay. Put your 100%. Okay. Your 100% should be there. Okay. Meet you in the next video. Till then, keep studying. Bye bye.